Okay, so whilst we're here this afternoon, I'm going to fit some of these new LEDs that we have at Tarmac Sportz. They are really bright compared to the originals. I'll show you the originals. The originals give like a warm yellow colour, but with the bright of the LEDs on the 06 rear lamps, it just looks a little bit dated now. So, and you can get the LED version bumper lamps as well. So whilst I was here this afternoon, I'm just going to put in some LED number plate lamps. So I'll turn the power off and I'll show you how it's done. It's a nice and easy little job. It's basically put your hand up under the back, find the light, there's a little clip, give it a push, pull the light unit down. Couldn't be simpler. There's a little clip on the actual brown switch that you just need to give it a little push, pulls off, make sure you don't let it fly back up underneath. So that's basically the original light unit out. That's the bulb holder inside, there's the original bulb. You don't need any of this. The new lights come ready just to plug in the brown connector. So I'll plug that in. And then it's reverse before. Just clip it back in, plug it in, and I'll show you one against the other. As you can see, the new lights give a really crisp white light compared to the warm yellow. Then it's the same on the other side. Pop it all down, pull the brown plug out, remove the whole unit, put the other unit in. Just put the brown plug into there so it connects, push it back in, lock it in place, and there we go.